Hi, in this new video I will show you how to reset a fixed interval, which is the long life service on VW Transporter 2017. For that we need to, the ignition has to be switched off, turn on the hazard light on, press and hold this set button, press and hold, and turn the ignition on. And do you really want to reset the inspection? So for that we need to press again or press the OK button. Service is resetted. Turn off the hazard light switch and ignition off, ignition on, message disappear. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.